Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, we will talk about all-in-one WP migration. We will install it and will take a backup of our WordPress website. So all-in-one WP migration is the best migration plugin for your WordPress website. It is open, it is available and freely available on WordPress repository. So you can install it without paying any single rupees. As you can see in the description, it is last updated 3 weeks ago. Active installation is 5 million and it is supported by WordPress 6.02. So it supports WordPress latest version. So you can read this description. It is easy to migrate your WordPress website if you want to take backup of your WordPress website. So in order to install it, go to your WordPress dashboard, head over to plugins and click on add-in. Here search for all-in-one all-in-one WP migration and hit enter key. So this is the plugin by ServeMask, all-in-one WP migration, move, transfer, copy, migrate and backup a site with one click. So this is the plugin. Just click on install now and we will see how we can take backup of our website and or you can restore a backup to existing website. As you can see, the plugin installed, so we just need to activate it. Just click on activate. Here you go, it is now activated. And where you can find this, you will go to dashboard and you will see a new option right over here. So you have two options. One is export or import. If you want to take backup of your current WordPress website, let's say this is my website, you can see this is my website, and if I want to take a backup of this website, I just need to go to all-in-one WP migration and just from here export, and within this you can advanced option, you can see do not if you have these option, but I will keep the default setting because I want to export all these including my files, database files, including my themes files. So I will leave this option as it is. Export to where you want to export. You can save a file, it will download to your local computer, or you can connect your Google Drive or Dropbox. We will see later. But for the time being, I will just click file. So it will start preparing to export. It will export 99%. My website is not much heavy, so just you need to click heavy. So it's now started downloading here. You can take backup of this website using like this. And if you have a migration already, but if you want to import that backup, go to import and then click on import setting. So from here you can select the file on your computer or in your drive and just import that as well. I will close this one. So you have import site. So drag and drop, just import, select file and just select the file that you want to import. It should be in the website should be must be backed up by using WP migration, otherwise it will not import here. So this was a tutorial. This was about all-in-one WP migration and how you can use it to migrate or to take backup of your WordPress website without enough without technical knowledge. You can say you can just, if you don't have a technical knowledge, you don't know about cPanel, just use this plugin and you will take backup within a single click. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.